Today marks the 1 year anniversary of our short, Meditator. It was just gonna die in a folder like any other short film that I made just for practice. But the fact that it went out and the effect that it had and got shared by this man, if you don't know who he is, just Google him and you will find out. And this woman, of course, if you don't know her, then you're probably honestly living under a rock. I was simply taken aback by the effect that it had. Made in the previous edition of the lockdown in 2020 on a zero budget, this was made for a contest. We didn't win the contest, but the effect that it had was enough of a win for me. I just hope this video gives someone somewhere some insight into my journey with self-censoring and maybe helps them along the way in a very organic way, just talking to you heart to heart in a very simple video. So sit back and relax and hear me out. What if I told you that creation and destruction are very close relatives of each other? They're like almost like the same energies. I know you'll be like, अरे 2021 में आके YouTube पे यार ये सेम चीज़ें saturation क्यों कर रहे हैं मगजमारी क्यों? So much noise in the world, man. Maybe destruction is a little more dominating. It's usually the bully and creation gets bullied. Maybe they are the same trait, and how they come out is a choice that we make. What I mean by this is when we don't create, we incalculably destruct. And I don't need to be 40 or grey hair to be telling you this or understand this. Although I think I have some grey hair going on here. मेरी तीसरी आँख खुल रही है धीरे धीरे. In our own ways, when we do create and we don't share it, not hitting that publish button sometimes funnily means the same thing to our brain. What this sums up to is we are setting ourselves for the opposite of expression if we are not hitting that publish button. And sometimes, and usually most of the times, it is what is leading to depression. I don't want to use that heavy word, but stick with me. This is not trauma porn. I'm just going to share my own experience with creation and this specific journey I took in the last lockdown, the first edition of the lockdown. Rapidly consuming content is making us consume more of it, and it's like a hit. It's like the next hit that we're looking for all the time. It's like consuming sugar or something sweet in the morning and then craving it throughout the day. Creation should be treated like consuming what you wish was created. Is it too soon to comment on? Is it too soon? I'm just gonna speak my heart out about the regrets that have built up over time for me when I didn't spend creating. I did create a lot, just didn't share it enough, just didn't hit the publish button. I didn't feel like I was ready enough. I felt like there was still practice that was left to do before I could show my creations to the world. And I took myself way too seriously. Then came an opportunity. It was a contest with strict criteria of making a film in the lockdown with minimum resources. Excuse है एक तरीके से जो बना बना. But Meditator was so special because it was just between the three of us, me, my brother, and our friend Ronak, who we were staying with in Bombay. I didn't expect a lot of people to see it, and it exploded. I didn't expect Meditator to be shared around and loved so much. That is one of the reasons I have started this YouTube channel. Sometimes we have to say yes to work that we don't want to do. Sometimes we don't enjoy the work necessarily that we're doing. We're usually kind of doing it just to kind of survive. This is something that feels deeply personal, for me at least, to be coming here and expressing and sharing things with you. And it's a big privilege, which if gone ignored, I'm gonna regret. अगर आप भी क्रिएटिव प्रोफेशनल हो तो लॉकडाउन के समय में ध्यान जरूर गया होगा कि घर बैठे बैठे कैसे अपने स्किल्स को प्रैक्टिस करा जाए, चाहे आप शूट करते हो, लिखते हो, या एडिटिंग करते हो, या ग्राफिक्स बनाते हो, या सिर्फ सोचते हो और अपने नाखून चबाते हो. ये सब शॉर्ट फिल्म रिलीज हुई, फिर मुझे समझ आने लगा कि कितना ग्रोथ स्टंटिंग हो सकता है, कितना ग्रोथ स्टंटिंग होता है अपने आप को सेल्फ सेंसर करना. आइडियाज़ तो चलो सबको आते हैं और मन तो बहुत कुछ करता है, बस हम कुछ नहीं करते. मैं कितना खुश था वो एक हफ्ता में आपको समझा नहीं सकता. एक मेरी दिल से बनाई गई चीज़ जो मैंने खुद को डिक्लेयर कर दी थी कि नॉट वर्थ इट, लेट रेस्ट इन अ फोल्डर, मेक द नेक्स्ट थिंग. बट जब वो बाहर गई तो कितने दिल छू ली और मेरे को गूज बम्स आज भी आ जाते हैं थोड़े थोड़े. तो हम भी तो फिल्म बना सकते हैं ना, जैसे वो बनाते हैं स्कॉर्सेसी, और आज नहीं तो कल हमारी भी होंगी. एंड द बेस्ट वी कैन डू इज स्ट्राइव, एंड वी आर striving to do good work. Done very quickly, very snappily. I just wrote a draft, and Then my friend Ronak, who shot this film, kind of executed it with my brother. We were doing live calls. My brother actually convinced me to put it out. We didn't win the contest. We got shortlisted. I got an email which said, "We liked your work and these many judges have seen your work." That's the purpose of short films. When you keep making them and when it resonates with someone, you realize, oh, there is a natural storyteller in you. Filmmakers like Darren Aronofsky, Steven Spielberg, Taika Waititi, जिन्होंने शॉर्ट फिल्म बनाई हैं, maybe they didn't, some of their films didn't do well initially. Their short film, if you actually go and find Darren Aronofsky's first short film, I'm telling you, it's pretty much shit. I am no one to comment on it, but according to what he does now, it is shit. शॉर्ट फिल्म्स का स्कोप बहुत है गाइस. अगर आप बनाना चाहते हो, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना चाहते हो अपना आर्ट, reach out to channels. You will find channels like Hook Films, Pocket Films, Six Sigma Films, बहुत हैं. फिल्म फ्रीवे जैसी वेबसाइट्स जहाँ पे आप जाके फेस्टिवल रन्स में आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. फेस्टिवल्स that can give you an official screening of your film. It's an amazing feeling, by the way. Me and my friend Rohit, we did one of those when the Spanish embassy invited us to screen our film, and it was such an honor to be like, taking my mom there. Like, आज अगर मैंने वो शॉर्ट फिल्म नहीं निकाली होती तो शायद ये वीडियो भी नहीं बन रही होती. सब चीज़ों का एक डोमिनो इफेक्ट होता है. इस पे भी एक शॉर्ट फिल्म बना चुका हूँ ऐसे, और ये डोमिनो इफेक्ट मैं चाहता हूँ हम सब एक दूसरे तक पहुँचा सकें, और एक स्ट्रॉन्ग हमारी अपनी आपस में एक कम्युनिटी बन जाए. जैसे हम फिल्म मेकर्स जो यूट्यूब के सपोर्ट से या कहीं ना कहीं हम अपनी बस आवाज़ निकाल पाएँ, क्योंकि आवाज़ निकालेंगे नहीं तो आवाज़ को पहचानेंगे नहीं. अगर आप भी शामिल होना चाहते हो इस जर्नी में मेरे साथ, तो रीच आउट टू मी इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन टू माई email ID. Tweet to me, because I'm looking at finding out more people like me in this space. I already know some people, my friends, who are helping me and supporting this. इतनी धूप क्यों हो गई भाई? बहुत गर्मी है, AC बंद करना पड़ता है साउंड खराब ना हो इसलिए. आप देख सकते हो मेरे को पसीना आ रहा है, इतनी गर्मी है. बहुत गर्मी का मौसम चल रहा है आजकल. द थिंग इज़, मेरे को भी लगता था यूट्यूब वीडियोस बनाना इजी है. नहीं है. इसमें बहुत टाइम, रिसर्च और दिमाग कंज्यूम होता है. फिर उसके ऊपर एडिटिंग भी करनी होती है, और बेसिकली मैं अभी सब कुछ खुद कर रहा हूँ. तो आप थोड़ा सपोर्ट करोगे तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. आप वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक करना अगर आपको लगता है कि कुछ गेन हुआ इससे. आई एम ऑल्सो फाइंडिंग माई वॉइस थ्रू द नॉइज़, एंड मे बी वी विल फाइंड आवर वॉइसेस थ्रू द नॉइज़ टुगेदर. पॉडकास्ट लॉन्च हो रहा है जल्दी से. ज़्यादा बात नहीं करूँगा. आपको बस पसंद आए तो सपोर्ट करते जाओ, और सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.